welcome back to my channel. This is my old desk space where I usually do my work, where I usually study and everything here. So this is just a simple study table and a small table where I keep books and some sticky notes and some quotes and calendar. That's it. I just want to change the total look of my desk space. So you are in the right space. Whether you are a seasoned work from home employee or find yourself newly working at your kitchen table along with so many others in recent days, a dedicated workspace is crucial to productivity. And if you are looking for some fresh ideas for your home office setup, then you are at the right place. I'm gonna show you how I'm doing this beautiful makeover, and I'm gonna give some DIY ideas, and I'm going to give all the details of the products which I'm using in this makeover in the description box below. Hope you enjoy this video. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Is to clean out the whole space. And please don't judge me for having so many books. If you are a CA or CA student, you might have faced this situation, and I also read so many other books and non-fiction books. So for that I have so many books, but these are not even half, but these are the books right now I'm using. So I'm going to organize them on my small table. I'm just separating all the books so that it will be easy and convenient when I'm searching for a particular book. Yeah, finally I'm done. These are some books which I'm using right now, so I'm gonna organize them on the small side table. So after cleaning this space, it's looking so good. Now I am going to show how I decorate this space. Thing I'm doing is organize the books which I'm using right now. Like for the next few months which I am using, only that books I'm keeping on this table. Remaining books I'm keeping on the study table drawers. Yay! Finally, I'm done organizing all these books. And these are the books of my company secretary exams, which I'm gonna give in my December attempt. And these are the notebooks which I'm using now, and the planners and remaining books which I'm using this Spider-Man table mat on my study table, which I bought in Miniso a few months back. And when it comes to pen holders, I bought this blue pen holder in my local shop, which cost me around 90 to 100 rupees. I'm keeping all my painting brushes and highlighters and stickers and markers in this blue pen holder. And I bought this black pen holder which cost me 48 rupees. I bought this in local shop, and in this pen holder I usually keep all the pens, black pens and pencil eraser. That's it. I'm using this beautiful frame which will gonna change the complete look of the wall. If you are living in a rental house, then even with double side tape you can stick them. And it is very useful to stick all the important notes and your drawings, some motivational quotes and all. I'm going to play some drawings, cartoon pictures on Instagram or on internet, and I'm using these colorful clips to attach the drawings which I have drawn on the frame. These frames and These color clips are available at our store wowhow.india, and I'm gonna give the link in the description box. You can check that out. And here comes a cute little keep from wall shelf. This green pop up the colors and it will give that nice look to the entire space and to the entire corner as well, because this is my favorite corner and I am placing my Instax camera on top of the wall shelf. So if you haven't checked my previous video of Instax unboxing, you can check that out in the description. And the next is this glass bowl with glass paintings, and I'm going to keep some water and I'm going to keep a small candle and which will light up my study space. Beside this blue frame, and I am going to add dream catcher. Now this is the basic decor. Now let's change some small things and let's light up this space and it will look even more beautiful. I'm using these fairy lights to give a nice look to the whole space. This cost me 129 rupees. If you want to buy, you can order at the rate of wowhow.in. Lights have 3 options. I'm adding this wall clock. It gives an antique look. I think I bought this on Amazon year back. And as my desk space is in the corner, I don't have much light, so I am using this light. I bought this on Amazon at 300 rupees. And my sister made this glass bottle and I am using this as a planter and I am hanging it to the wall. Now it's time to DIY. For this DIY you need one thread and color papers, scissors and glue. That's it. With these 4 items I am going to show some DIY. Just make a circle with different colors and attach them with the thread using Fevicol, and that's it. You can add how many threads you want. I am just adding one thread. And here is our color papers thread. If you want you can add more threads, and I am just making one thread because I want to make it simple, and I am connecting that from wall shelf to the frame. I am placing these mini canvas paintings with quotes beside the wall shelf. And coaster is compulsory for the desk space, whether you are in home or any other place. You don't want to leave the mark of your drink on the table or on the mat. So try to use coasters definitely. And if you're doing work from home, you know the pain, back pain you're experiencing, so try to use this kind of pillows. And I have this box which I bought in Starmark, and this is the box where I keep some unused planners and crayons and some other sketches which I am not using, and I'm just keeping that on my books. So that's it guys, this is the final look of my desk space makeover. And it's really important to get positive vibes, not only when you're studying, when you're working as well. So try to make as clean as possible and try to keep some decor items which will give some positive vibes and it will give some motivation. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Hope you like this video. Bye bye.